Collected digits, database queries, and variable activities all collect information from the caller to assist in routing a call. To better understand how all these activities route a call through the system, we are going to build a workflow that includes all these elements. All workflows must start with an answer activity. In our scenario, we have a seasonal client base who call in frequently, but they want to talk to the same employee each year. To cut down on confusion and delays, they have an account number. Add a collect digit activity. This allows the caller to enter their account number. It uses their account number to detect who is their representative and routes the call. There are 2 items needed to customize the collected digits activity: variables and greetings. The greeting tells the caller to enter their account number. We have already added our greeting and our variables to the system. For more information on adding greetings or variables to the system, please review our additional videos. The variable is used to store the information collected to use later in the workflow. Let's add the prior created variable to the collected digits. Right-click on collected digits. Click Edit Variable Settings. Click the 3 dots to search for a variable. Choose the variable from the list. Click OK. Repeat those steps to add the greeting. You can add additional information like maximum and minimum digits collected. Click OK. Set on this configuration. The system prompts the caller to enter the account number and uses their stored account number as a variable. To use those collected digits, we need to build a query. Right-click, drag and drop the query activity to the success branch of the collect digit. You must link your database to your system before you can complete the query activity. For our example, we are connecting to an Excel spreadsheet as our database. This database associates the customer's account number with a dialable extension. Click Database Providers, click Add, choose Excel from the drop-down menu. Enter the name for your spreadsheet, find your Excel file. Your Excel file must be in a shared network drive to make it accessible for the server. You must browse to that network location to access the file path. You must use the network path to associate the file with the data provider. Click Select File. Our database connects our ODBC, a driver which allows the Windows operating system to talk to various databases. Under Generic, there are other popular CRM applications like Salesforce and Microsoft CRM. Other connections are available. For more information, please review our documentation. Click Save. Select your Routing tab. You must associate the database connection with this query. Right-click the query header. Click Database Provider. Choose the database from the list. Click OK. The query can be used to read from the database or write to the database. To configure the query of the database, right-click on the query header, click Query Definition. You can choose a simple or advanced query. In most cases, a simple query is enough. The advanced query is often utilized by our professional services team. It requires knowledge of writing programming statements. Each of the drop-downs creates the SQL query shown at the bottom. Database table name identifies the database the system queries. Column return name identifies the column on the database for the system to pull information. Variable return name identifies where to store the collected information from in the database query. Column, where name identifies the column that the system queries for a match from the information stored in the variable. Variable, where name identifies the variable stored by the system that the system compares to the column in the database. In our example, we are querying for the dialable number from the Excel spreadsheet where the column labeled Account and an account number. You can enter a known value to ensure the query is successful. Click Test Query and see which results are found. Click OK. With the query complete, we need to do something with this information to route the caller. Right-click, drag and drop a transfer activity to the success path. Right-click on the transfer header, click Destination, choose the variable tab, choose the last query variable from the list. This uses the last variable queried to route the call. Click OK. Using an answer, a collected digit, a query, and a transfer, 4 activities in one variable, the system asks the caller for a 3-digit account number and determines where to route the call. Multiple queries can be used to create a more advanced call routing scenario based on a simple digit collection, like an account number. In most cases, a simple query is enough to route calls efficiently and effectively. Now, let's filter this information a bit further. We have collected digits that are stored as the customer's account number. Our database has another field called Warranty. Before we transfer the call to the agent, we need to check the caller's warranty status. Right-click on the query header, click Query Definition, define the parameters. Our SQL query reviews the warranty column in the database, where the account number matches the stored queried variable account number. Entering a test account number and testing the query returns a warranty term. Click OK. We need to connect our database to this query. Right-click, drag and drop a set variable activity to the success path. Right-click on the set variable header, click Edit Variable Settings, click Add, choose the warranty variable we already created. Click OK, click the Value drop-down, click the Variable tab, choose Last Query Result from the drop-down menu. This creates a way for the system to use that queried warranty variable information. Click OK. Click OK. Under the warranty query, let's add another query. Right-click, drag and drop a query activity to the success path. You must associate the database connection with this query. Right-click on the query header, click Edit Database Provider, choose the database from the list. Click OK. Right-click on the query header, click Query Definition, define the parameters. This is the same query we added in the beginning of this video. Our SQL query reviews the database to retrieve the dialable extension where the account number matches the stored queried variable account number. Click OK. Drag and drop a set variable to the success path. Right-click on the set variable header. Click Edit Variable Settings. Click Add. Choose your already defined sales rep variable from the drop-down menu. Click OK. Click the Value drop-down. Click the Variable tab. Choose Last Query Result from the drop-down menu. This creates a way for the system to use that queried agent representative information. Click OK. Click OK. Right-click, drag and drop a variable compared to the success path of the query. Right-click on the variable Compare. Right-click on the variable Compare. Click Add Variable Compare Conditions. Add. Choose the already created warranty variable. Click OK. Choose Contain Value from the drop-down. In the last field, enter Expired. Click OK. This created an equation that states warranty variable contains expired. Click OK. Right-click, drag and drop a transfer activity to the success path. Right-click on the transfer header. Click Show Properties. Enter the destination. In our case, we are entering our sales queue. Right-click, drag and drop a transfer activity to the no-match path. Right-click on the transfer header. Click Destination. Choose the Variable tab. Find your already created sales rep variable. Click OK. Click Save to save all the changes. To review, our final workflow is an answer activity that then flows to the collected digits. A prompt is played to the caller requesting their account number. The information is stored as a variable. It is used in the query to find out the customer's warranty status. Once that information is stored, it is then used in the next query to find the correct agent to route the calls to. If the variable compares finds expired in the warranty variable, it routes the call to a queue of sales agents. If the variable compare finds any other value, it uses the information stored in the sales rep variable field to route the call to the correct agent.